Brick Masonry. In this lesson, the learner will be able to define brick masonry, list out the types of bonds, explain the construction procedure for different types of bonds. In the ancient period, people constructed buildings with the help of stones and lime mortar. But shifting the huge stones was a very tedious process. As the sledges were pulled by a team of laborers and the tracks were kept waxed in order to reduce friction, slowly people started to use the lightweight bricks and cement mortar for the construction of buildings. For purpose of constructing, different types of bonds are followed. Brick masonry is built with bricks bonded together with mortar. For permanent buildings, lime or cement mortars are used, but for temporary sheds mud mortar may be used. Now let us discuss about the bricks and different types of bonds in brick masonry in detail. The general size of the modular brick is 190 mm by 90 mm by 90 mm. Let us learn about the different dimensions of a brick. This is the stretcher face. This is the header face and this is the half queen closer. Brick laying process can be done perfectly with the brick professional equipment. In the following images shown on the screen, you can see the vertical plane guide, the horizontal plane guide, the mason mate and the probe pointer. Let us now discuss the process of making cement mortar. The preparation of cement mortar is done in the ratio of 1:3 for grade M 7.5 cement, i.e. 1 bag of cement for 3 bags of sand. Add water to the cement whose ratio is 70% of the weight of the cement. For 1 brick thickness while construction, start the construction by first laying the header face. Keep 2 bricks each at one end by placing the cement mortar below it. Temporarily fix the mason mate and tie a thread at the top corners as shown on the screen. Place the cement mortar by using the vertical guide. Finish the header row and place the cement mortar above it with the horizontal guide. Continue the same process for the stretcher row. The various types of bonds generally used in brick masonry are stretcher bond, header bond, English bond, and Flemish bond. In stretcher bond masonry, all the bricks are arranged in stretcher courses. In the header bond brick masonry, all the bricks are arranged in the header courses. English bond courses consist of headers and stretchers. In the Flemish bond, each course comprises of an alternate header and stretcher. In the stretcher bond masonry, all the bricks are arranged in stretcher courses. However, care should be taken to break the vertical joints. Originally it was used for half brick thickness walls. In the header bond brick masonry, all the bricks are arranged in the header courses. This type of bond is useful for the construction of 1 brick thick walls. English bond courses consist of headers and stretchers. This is considered to be the strongest bond. Hence, it is the commonly used bond for the walls of all thickness. In the Flemish bond, each course comprises of an alternate header and stretcher. The alternate courses start with a stretcher and a header. Let us summarize what we have learnt in this lesson. Brick masonry is built with bricks bonded together with mortar. In stretcher bond masonry, all the bricks are arranged in stretcher courses. In header bond brick masonry, all the bricks are arranged in the header courses. English bond courses consist of headers and stretchers. In Flemish bond, each course comprises of an alternate header and stretcher.